Okay, so scale drawings are really just proportions. So for the first one, it says a scale map reads 2 inches to 150 feet. Find the actual distance if the length of the map is 4.5 inches. So you want to set it up 2 inches is to 150 feet as 4.5 inches is to X amount of feet. And then you cross multiply 2x equals, and then you cross multiply here. 4.5 times 150 is 675. We solve for x over 2 over 2. X equals 337.5. So for number 2, the instructions. Let me do this. For a model car, show a scale of 1 inch to 48 inches. How long is the actual car if the drawing is 4 inches? So you just want to set it up so it is inches to inches, and that it matches. So if 1 inch is 48 inches, as 4 inches is to X. So again, you're going to cross multiply. X equals 48 times 4. 48 times 4. And that equals 192 inches. You want to make sure you put the units. Then 3. Parker is on a road trip. The map he uses has a scale that reads 2 inches to 25 miles. The next rest stop is 3 inches away on the map. How far will Parker have to drive to the next rest stop? So if 2 inches are 25, then 3 inches is X. Again, you cross multiply. 2X equals 75. Divide both by 2. X is equal to 37.5 miles. All of these are like that. This is all they are. Let's do number 4. Kylie is going for a walk from her house to her friend's house. A map shows that 2 inches are 1/4 inch apart. If the scale on the map is 1 to 2, how far apart are the two houses? So 2 are 1/4 inches apart. So it's 0.25 inches to X as 1 is to 2. So this is going to be X is equal to 0.5 because you are multiplying across. Okay? And that's it. All of these are that way. So for number 5, we have a scale map. A scale on a map reads 3 inches is to 50 miles. Find the length of the map if the actual distance is 250 miles. So now it is 3 inches is to 50 miles as X is to 250 miles. And again, you just cross multiply. 50X is equal to 750. 750 divided by 50. X equals to 15 miles. Okay? Oh, 15. I'm sorry, 15 inches. I had to read that again. Number 6. The instructions for a model airplane show a scale of 1 inch to 36 feet. What is the length of the drawing if the actual length of the plane is 148 feet? Right? So you just multiply. 36x is equal to 148. Divided by 36. X is equal to 4.1, and that's repeating. Number 7. Nikki is traveling to her grandma's for the holidays. The scale on the map is 2 inches to 10 miles. She knows her grandma lives about 35 miles away. How far would that be on the map? So it's 2 inches to 35 miles as X inches to 10 miles. So again, you multiply, cross multiply, and then you divide. So that's 0.57 is equal to X. And number 8, Mark is drawing a picture of the Golden Gate Bridge. He wants it to be he wants it to be to scale. He's using the scale of 1 inch to 150 feet. If the actual height of the bridge is 746 feet, how tall should his drawing be? So again, it's 150x cross multiply equals 746 cross multiply. Then you divide. $746 divided by 150 is about 4.97 or 5 inches. Okay, for here, it's the same thing. It's if the scale drawing is 1 inch to 11 feet, find the actual length for each drawing length. So this is, the proportion is hold on. Is 1 inch to 11 inches is equal to X is 121. So you solve for the variable. So you multiply 11x is equal to 121 divided by 11. X is equal to 11. You do the same with each of these. 1 is to 111 as X is to 15. So that's 11x is equal to 15 divided by 11. S is equal to 15 divided by 11. 136. Okay, those are all the same. And it's the same down here for these. For number 2, the proportion is going to be 2 centimeters to 21 kilometers is 2 is to 21 as X is to 94.5. So 21X is equal to 94.5 times 2 is 189 divided by 21. X equals 9. So those are all the same. Let's look at this one. Number 3. An architect's drawing of a house, 1 inch represents 1.5 feet. If the bedroom is 5 inches long and the drawing is 4 inches wide, what are the actual dimensions on the window of the real house? Wait a minute. An architect's drawing of a house, 1 inch represents 1.5 feet. If the bedroom window is 5 inches long on the drawing and 4 inches wide, what is the actual dimensions of the window? So it's 1 inches is 1.5 as what are the actual dimensions? I'm not sure about this one. I think what you do is multiply. Oh, you multiply 4 times 1.5 and 5 times 1.5. So 4 times 1.5, 4 times 1. Oh, this calculator. 4 times 1.5 is equal. So the actual dimensions of the window is 6 by, and then 5 times 1.5 is 6 by 7.5 is the actual size of the window. And then what is the perimeter or area of the window in real life? So she would this would be 6, this would be 7.5. You know how to find the perimeter is 6 and 7.5. So it's 15 plus 12 is 27. That's the perimeter. And 6 times 7.5 equals 5 times 6. 7.5 times 6 is equal to 42 feet. Okay? That's it, my dear. Let me know if you need more.